up, guys? What's going on? Look at me. I noticed I've been uploading videos and I've been looking a hot mess, so I said, you know what, this next video I just want to film with me getting ready. I got a few things to do today, so we're gonna do just a little light slay, and hopefully by the end of this video I don't look how I looked in my last video or how I look right now. I'm sorry about that. Start with the Desi X Katie Friendcation palette. This little baby is well used.
Okay, just put that all in the middle.
Oh, she even has my brushes that I blend with. God. Okay. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Does she have my bronzers too? Okay, so I messed up the eyeliner horribly, which I often do. It's nothing new. But I decided to just stop. I just stopped in the middle because the power of lashes. You guys know I love my lashes. It's gonna cover it all up. I was trying to do a cute little liner look, but for what? You know what I mean? For what? Okay? My lashes are beautiful and it's gonna cover it any damn way. So the lashes that I'm gonna use today are just some simple little cute lashes. They're called Chase Me. They're like little spikes from my collection. So we're gonna use these today to cover up all of my makeup mistakes, which I have every time I do my makeup because I'm not good. I'm gonna go off camera, do my hair, apply my lashes, and then come back and show you guys what I'm gonna wear today. Okay. Oh, excuse me. Excuse me, I didn't realize the hi, I'm back. Little lash. Just kidding, guys. Little lash. You see the lash erases everything. Now I just need to get a little highlighter on. We'll use a little Kylie Jordan. Little best life.
Right now, always 2019, try and live your best life. Just put highlighter everywhere, fuck it. You know, just highlight. Let's do some no new friends on the nose. Oosh. A little bit more over here. A little on the cupid's bow. Let's put it on the forehead. Let's put it everywhere. Let's even put some inseparable where we put our blush. But you know, why not? Okay. Highlight check. Ooh. Let's do a little bit of the Momager Kris Jenner collection. Just a little nude lip. Mark lace. I don't even have a liner. My lash.
Almost had a catastrophe, guys. My lash. You're gonna see the worst flat iron job you've ever seen in your life. But I'm in a hurry. I got places to go and people to see in this outfit. This flat iron is only on like 300. Okay. All right. All right, so that's that. Hopefully, let me skip back. See my little, okay. Hopefully I'm giving, you know, surgery vibes, all white vibes, goddess, mermaid, queen of it all vibes. All right, yes, I just feel like a new woman now. Okay, no more boring, you know, mom looking YouTube videos. Miss Corrie B is here to slay, baby. Okay, just kidding, guys. Thank you. Hopefully you guys had a little fun with me. That was fun. Just a little quick get ready just to show you, you know, I'm not always walking around in a house robe. For sticking around, thank you for hanging in there. If you guys want more videos like this, I'm gonna try to make it interesting. Lots of chit chat. I have lots of things to talk to you guys about and talk to you guys, get your guys' input on this year. So stick around, subscribe, give me a thumbs up. Just let me know you're watching. Ask me any questions you have below, and bye.